Hey y'all, welcome back to Krista's Kitchen. So we have a quick little video for y'all today. I do have my Ninja Foodie preheating 400 just so we can get that air crisp heat going. But today we're going to be making, as my kids call it, Chick-fil-A chicken, but a dill pickle chicken. We're going to use it as a sandwich, so if it's that they call it Chick-fil-A chicken. But it's very, very simple to get done. It does take a little bit of prep work that you need to take your chicken breast and marinate them in some pickle juice. I do it overnight, but I'm sure maybe 4 to 6 hours should be plenty of time for it to soak in that flavor. But we have our chicken that's been marinating since yesterday evening. In a bowl, I have 2 eggs that I've lightly beaten up. And then I'm going to put some breadcrumbs, some seasoned breadcrumbs down on this plate so that we can use that for our breading. I am using the air fryer to do this. A little bit of pepper. So we can cut down on the heat in the camper as well as increase the health factor just a little bit. And a little bit of salt. Just going to kind of mix that around with my hands. Now this is 2 giant chicken breasts that I cut in half, and that way the sizing is a little bit better. They're still pretty large. Ignore my dishes in the sink, y'all. I'm trying to get y'all in a good spot where y'all can see. But we have our chicken. I'm just going to kind of shake off some of that pickle juice. It's more white because the pickle kind of, I don't know if it cooked it or just what it does, but it does give it that little weird kind of color. But I guarantee y'all it's still perfectly fine to eat. So we just dip it in our egg and then we dredge it in our little mixture here. Now I do have the air fryer preheating because this helps with the even cooking temperature. So just kind of press that into there. Like I said, we'll be doing it at 400 for about 7 or so minutes. I'm only going to do 2 at a time because if I overcrowd this pan, they won't cook evenly at all. Egg and then the breading. So let's see. So it's about 4 minutes in. Alright, so we're going to open it up. And I'm just going to lay these down. I'm not using the Ninja basket. I like to use the little pan or the trivet, like tray thing that they have. I find that it gets better coating all around. And we're going to let that go for 7 minutes. And then we'll flip it over and let it go for an additional 5, 6, 7 minutes, depending on how it's browning and if it looks like the chicken is cooking through. So chicken is all done. We also toasted up our buns in the same air fryer we made the chicken in. And we just have some honey butter corn alongside. Added some pickles and some of our Chick-fil-A sauce. And yummy quick dinner ready to go. You can see why they call it Chick-fil-A chicken. But it's just some marinated dill pickle chicken, and top it and dress it how you like. You can even do this without the bun, just the chicken breast and the side by itself. As always, thank y'all for joining us. Let us know if you give it a try, and we'll see y'all with the next one.